Hey guys, what's up? Now, sorry I haven't uploaded in 10 months after that volcano video, sorry. But I just want to tell you this. Please like and subscribe. And also, another thing is, I haven't told you why does the Insta Snow actually works like that, so, yeah. I'm gonna tell you right now. Now, first, you know the powder I dumped into the cup, yeah? It's called super absorbent polymer. Now, super absorbent polymer can absorb water, which is over 100 times the volume of the absorbent resin. Paper diaper is actually made from super absorbent resin. You can test how much water it can absorb with the help of kids. Well, that once was me, but not today. If you make colorful snow, it can actually also be used as a rainbow pot. It will be beneficial to plants if you put a little compost at the bottom of the pot. And also, subscribe, it's free, since this is my 4th video after the beginning of my channel. After 10 months, this was my first one. So, let's build. Now I'm gonna do snap circuits, and my body is so wet since there was an experiment I failed lighting up candles, and I could not light up the candle. Really sad, but still, at least, still could do it. Now first, every snap circuit part needs a battery box. Get all of them needs a battery box. Also, yes, I was about to put this on without being trimmed, but I just remembered that it was not water resistant. So yeah, changed my mind. And we got the 4th battery. Now my second video, if I remember that correctly, okay, I actually don't remember how many videos okay, scrap it. For my previous snap circuit video, I have mentioned how this switch works, and it's also typically my editor had to speed it up since it was too long. Yeah. So we had to switch into it. Now, I'm gonna make you guys have a better view of what's happening. I can also see you guys. Then we also got the these are just the electrical connect wires. Yeah, electrical connection to connect it. Then you have a very strange part. WC. I literally don't know why it's called WC. Is this the toilet piece or something? Okay. Sorry. Although it's still not on though. It actually, I think it helps with something. Well, it's not that funny actually. Now we have the Music U1. I also put it in these 3 electrical wire, in case you didn't know what I put it in before when I was saying that. Yes, and it is actually called, it's actually called WC. Now we got the last parts. A 2-link and a 4-link, which connect to each other on this part, and we put it down here. Sorry, I'm having a cold, so I'm gonna talk a lot. Hold on, let me get this one. It's barely oh, right, I forgot to take out the wires. I also forgot to take out the wire connection pieces. Let me take them out. Yeah, they got bundled. Really. Red string and the black string, which is here. And I'm going to connect it to. Now, I gotta know where to connect it though, so you can see the instruction manual right here, and that's project 3. I think it's gonna sing the song "Happy Birthday." I think it was not a 2. I think it was more like a 3, I guess. Yeah, it's more like a 3. So, yeah, it's got 7 minutes, so yeah, let's put in the last part to see if this works. In 3, 2, 1. If this works, I'm gonna be happy. What is that thing doing? What is that doing? What was that? Well, it wasn't happy birthday, but at least, no, I'm gonna do and I wanna see if it's no. This next one does not need the strings, so I'm not gonna actually do this, but yeah. Kidding, I still have to do it to see if it actually works. Well, actually I'm not going to, but I'll just do this again to see how weird it is. Literally, so weird. I think they put the speaker like this, and yeah, I'm actually not going to do the next project though, but because like I don't want to make this video a long video, so yeah. 3, 2, 1. What is this? Gary, what? Yes, this thing's name has changed, I think. Gary, literally, what is this sound? Well, actually, Real Jerry is busy, so, see you guys in the next video. Also, I forgot. And also, I'll post videos on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And yes, I had to look at this manual book, so do all the good stuff, and I'll show it, and I'll post to you guys a video next time. Goodbye. Also, I'm actually gonna fix that part. I'm gonna make my editor to fix the part also. Ignore the background. I just moved the camera so it'd be easier. The last part was, it will be beneficial to plants if you put a layer of compost at the bottom of the pot. I did not know how small my voice was back there, so yeah. I had to re-say it. Well,